Good evening, everyone. J7409 here with you. The alerts are up. Okay, everyone in the yellow, you are under a tornado watch. Everyone in the yellow, you are in a tornado watch. Tornado watch 180 remains valid and in effect until midnight Central Daylight Time tonight for the following areas. In Minnesota, this watch includes 2 counties, okay, in west central Minnesota, Big Stone and Traverse. In South Dakota, the watch includes 10 counties. I'm not going to read them all, but you can see them. You know if you live in these counties in South Dakota, including the cities below. If you miss it, stop the video and take your time about checking it out. Okay, here we go. In effect, tornado watch, 12 a.m. CDT for South Dakota, including these counties. These counties right here for South Dakota. And the same, it's still in effect until 12 a.m. Central Daylight Time for North Dakota counties that are included, which are these two, Richland and Sargent. As we move on down, we have more for Minnesota now. Big Stone, Grant, you see them all. Pope, Wilkin, here they are. This is for Minnesota counties. Tornado watch until 12 a.m. CDT tonight. Be aware of your skies. Now, if you're in this purple color, severe thunderstorm activity is more than likely going to happen. Severe thunderstorm watch in effect until 11 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. In Nebraska counties, these are the counties. This is in Nebraska. Arthur, Cherry, you can see them all right here. Severe thunderstorm watch until 11 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time this evening. As we move on down, we see there are more. This is South Dakota. These counties are under a severe thunderstorm watch. These thunderstorms are capable of producing high downline winds, hail, heavy rain, possibly flash flooding, and always the chance of a tornado. Don't forget that. You always got a chance of a tornado with these storms. And last but not least, tornado watch till 11 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time this evening. In Wyoming, you have 2 counties in Wyoming that are included in this severe thunderstorm watch. Here they are right here. Now, as we move over a tad and you see all of the orange, this is a heat watch. Your temperatures for the next several days. And right now you are under this heat watch advisory. It's dangerous, people. Temperatures from 90 degrees to 105 degrees. It's going to be very hot in all of these places you see where it's orange. And where you see this deeper purple, yours is going to be, all they say is in excess of 105. So that leads me to think it's going to be 105 and above in these areas that are in the dark purple. So please, folks, check on the elderly. Make sure everybody's got some cool breezes going on them. Don't leave anybody or anything in a car to go inside a store if it breathes. That includes people with respiratory problems, elderly handicapped people, also children and babies. Remember, check your car before you get out of it. Other than that, we've got a lot of stagnant and ozone problems going on wherever you see this darker color gray. This is bad air, folks. If you have respiratory problems, that's not good for you either. You don't have to get out in it. Please don't. Up here, what you see up here going on in New Hampshire and Maine, well, that's a cold weather warning and advisory. Don't go out if it's hot and then jump in the water. Your water is still very cold. You can go into hypothermia before you know it, and we don't want to go there. So please keep that in mind if you're out and about. We have a flood watch around going on in this area of Texas, also up in New Mexico. This is because that the hurricane Old Bud, he brought some rain up through this way. Some got more than others. One of my subs wrote me and said she's in Arizona, and thank you, Jesus, they did get some rain from Bud also. Other than that, we have a few high wind advisories, but that's just about the gist of it, with red flag warnings going on in Arizona and parts of Nevada, and just a little bit of Southern California. So that's your watches, your warnings. We have tornado watches out till midnight tonight. We have severe thunderstorm watches out till 11 p.m. tonight. I've showed you the areas, I've showed you the counties. Please be alert, please be aware, and please keep your eyes on your skies if anything were to change, to make sure you could seek safe shelter. I love you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, check off the email notification, all that good stuff. Thank you for the comments. Y'all are just great. You're my family, and I love you. The thumbs up. I thank you for all that stuff, and I thank you for sharing this information. And if you know anyone that lives in these areas where you see the yellow or the purple here, please let them know about this. This is tornado watches. This is severe thunderstorm watches. It's all going to move, and it's all going to be in this area as it moves. And you need to keep your eyes on it so nothing happens to you, and you're aware of what's going on. Everybody have a good evening. I'll see you tomorrow with the good Lord's will, and much peace, love, and kindness to each of you.